Whoa, guys, finally I'm having some Thai food. Whoa, look at how beautiful it is, man. That's a nice spit right here. Wow. It's different. It's different. I pick up the wrong thing because I couldn't see pictures because I'm not from there. I couldn't see pictures. So next time I'm not going to that place. I'm going to a different place where I can see picture. I can know what to buy. You know what I'm saying? All they show me letters and names. Yeah, I paid $13 for that. You know what I'm saying? I picked the wrong thing, man. I don't like it. I couldn't see picture. So I bought the wrong thing.